Hey guys, I hope you had a great break. We're going to go ahead and jump into some mean, median, and mode review. Might even throw a little bit of range in there, but I'm going to go ahead and walk you through today's slides. This is where the video will be. All right, for which one doesn't belong, we have some graphs. I've got some ideas as to what might not fit, but once again, you guys always blow me away and have way better ideas than I do. So keep up the great work with that. All right, fingers crossed that Freckle got a break over spring break and will be working for everyone today. Go ahead, hop on there, get your fact practice done. Even if that takes you the 15 minutes, that's totally fine. If not, work on stuff for a little bit longer. You can work on this program longer if you want, but they're just asking that we keep your workload to a certain time. And I know you also have stuff to get done for Mrs. Dance as well. So we're just trying to find a good balance between both classes so we don't overload you guys with stuff. But feel free, if you ever want to spend more time on a program, that's totally fine. We're not telling you that you can't, but we don't want to overload you. And let me know too if a timer would help you guys. I know some of my classes say that a timer on there doesn't really help when they're actually on the program, but if you want me to throw a timer on there for the future, I totally will. So kind of give me some feedback on that if you don't mind. All right, here's some review for you, going over the mean. The mean is the average of a set of numbers. And remember, to find it, all you have to do is add up all the numbers in a set and divide by how many numbers are in that set or that group. So here's an example. We have all of these numbers right here, okay? All added up together, they equal 138. And since we have 11 numbers, we're going to divide it by 11, which would give us 12.5. And then if you round that up to give you the nearest whole number, that would give you a 13, because we know the 5 right here would tell the 2 to go ahead and round up. And I just want to point out, if you notice that there's 2 11s in this set, you are still going to count each one of those as a number when you go to count for the whole entire thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So just because it's listed twice doesn't mean we're not going to count it once. You're going to count it twice, okay? Or if not, your answer won't make sense. All right, then the median. Remember, it's just the middle number in a set, like you're driving down the highway. That median right in the middle to divide it. So what you're going to do is put those numbers in order, and then you just want to find which one's in the middle. So here we have our numbers, and you want to put them in order from least to greatest. So like from your smallest number to your biggest number. And once again, if a number is listed more than once, you're still going to put it in there, okay? And we've got the 11 again. You're just going to put it right after the other. So then what you would do, I've done this up on the board before, is I take my marker and I might mark off each one on the left and then the right until I finally come to one in the middle. So our median for this group would be 13. But now we want to find the mode, and then mode is the number that appears most often in a set. And right here in the set we have the 11 appears most. So we got 3 times. So the 11 would be our median. But I want to jump back here really quick to the median and just remind you that if you would happen to get down in your set, and the 11 and the 13 both weren't marked off. Remember, what you do is then you would add those 2 numbers together and divide them by 2, and that would give you your median for that group. So if it's an even number with those numbers in the set, and you get to where you've crossed them off and you come down and you only have 2 left, that's when you'll add those 2 together and divide them by 2 to give you your median. So if you have any questions on that, let me know, okay? So let's skip here. All right, so you've got 3 slides that you're going to work on today. So you've got these groups of numbers right here. You're going to find the mean, median, and mode. Feel free to go back and look at those slides as a reference. Let me know if you have any questions, and you're going to do the same for slide 2 and slide 3. And then we're going to pick up with some more of it tomorrow. But once again, if you have any questions, let me know. But continue doing a great job, and I will talk to you guys later.